Contractors na yumaman dahil sa mga ghost projects, pwede din ba silang makasuhan? Yes, yung mga Nepo babies at mga Disney princesses who are using taxpayers' money to fund their crazy rich lifestyle, they may be held criminally liable. First, for money laundering under RA 9160 with an imprisonment of up to 14 years. Kung ginamit nila ang perang galing sa nakaw or pangungurakot to buy their luxury bags, sports cars, houses, condos, and international travels, this may be considered as money laundering because number one, the dirty money comes from an unlawful activity like, for example, stealing from a flood control project. Number two, they converted, used, or disguised the money by depositing it in a bank account or buying properties, lands, and whatnot. Third, they know this money is ill-gotten. To prove na may knowledge ang isang Nepo baby na yung perang ini-enjoy niya is actually ill-gotten wealth, you can use as evidence yung very lavish lifestyle nila as posted on their social media accounts. Kung very clear naman sa lifestyle nila na hindi ito commensurate or hindi ito reasonable dun sa possible income ng isang contractor, then clearly this is unexplained wealth. Then the Nepo baby is completely aware that the money that they are enjoying comes from illegal sources. Hence, they may be guilty of money laundering. Second liability, tax evasion. Kung ang Nepo baby ay wala namang sariling income pero meron siyang all of a sudden mansyon or mga sports cars at hindi siya nagbabayad ng tamang buwis, then pasok ito sa tax evasion. Third, the Nepo baby may be criminally liable as an accessory for the crimes of bribery and graft and corruption. If guilty ang parents sila ng crimes na ito, then possibly madamay sila as accessories to the crime. This usually happens if yung kumpanya or mga assets and properties ay nakapangalan doon sa kanilang anak or sa Nepo baby. So, pwede po ba nating mabawi ang perang kinurakot nila? Yes, pwede nating mabawi ang pera at ang mga ari-arian nila, including their luxury items, through asset freezing and forfeiture done by the Anti-Money Laundering Council. This is because the wealth that they are enjoying is ours, it's the taxpayers' money, it's the government's money. So those are the possible cases na pwedeng ikaso sa isang Nepo baby. How about you? Do you know of any other case that we can file against them? Comment below. This is Attorney Bernice Pineda.